Plan risk management is a process of defining how to conduct risk management activities for a project. The key benefit of this process is that it ensures that the degree, type, and visibility of risk management are proportionate to both risk and the importance of the project to the organization and other stakeholders. This process is performed once or at predefined points in the project. The plan risk management process should begin when a project is conceived and should be completed early in the project. It may be necessary to revisit this process later in the project lifecycle, for example at a major phase change, or if the project scope changes significantly, or if a subsequent review of risk management effectiveness determines that the project risk management process requires modification. Let's discuss the inputs to this process. Project Charter. The project charter documents the high-level project description and boundaries, high-level requirements, and risks. Project Management Plan. In planning project risk management, all approved subsidiary management plans should be taken into consideration in order to make the risk management plan consistent with them. The methodology outlined in other project management plan components might influence the plan risk management process. Project documents. Project documents that can be considered as inputs for this process include, but are not limited to, the Stakeholder Register. The Stakeholder Register contains details of the project stakeholders and provides an overview of their project roles and their attitude toward risk on this project. This is useful in determining roles and responsibilities for managing risk on the project, as well as setting risk thresholds for the project. Enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the plan risk management process include, but are not limited to, overall risk thresholds set by the organization or key stakeholders. Organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the plan risk management process include organization risk policy, risk categories, possibly organized into a risk breakdown structure, common definitions of risk concepts and terms, and risk statement formats. Templates for the risk management plan, risk register, and risk report. Roles and responsibilities. Authority levels for decision making. And lessons learned repository from previous similar projects.